and on this gorgeous sunny day, we are in Sunnyvale, and you'll never guess, we are at 383 North Sunnyvale Avenue. Come on, let's take a look. Beautiful LVP flooring, stainless steel appliances. Come home and chill out, but be close to everything. Did somebody mention ADU? Thank you for coming on this tour with me. If you have any questions or you'd like to see this home in person, contact me, Brenda Avilla-Kintz, your realtor with solutions for changing lives. Have a great day. Bye.